dealer. Man, the foreign need some gas. Smoking on that gas. On my hip, I got that gas. I got hollows for that ass. Look, I be talking shit, but I can walk it too. Dealer, you know I'm still knocking them prostitutes. If you choose up, ho, pay that fee, that's what you gotta do. I'm a real pimp, it's in my blood, I won't lie to you. Balenciaga steppin', rule boy reppin'. I gotta keep my weapon, these niggas ain't learn they lesson. Man, I took a nigga bitch today, finna drink a brick today. Snow bunny, white bitch, looking like a brick of yay. Backwood full of dope, I'm smoking presidential. Ride with my 40 while I'm in a rental. I can't find nobody reputable as me. Real shit on my mama, I'm that nigga in the east. Man, I been reppin' things, you can ask that nigga Kilo. In Vallejo, sippin' syrup with chemo. I just knocked a bitch and she hella bad. Hella ass, if she broke, I'ma be hella mad.
Backwood, roll like a finger. Bitch bad, like an R&B singer. European steering wheel is what I'm gripping. Rolls out the bottle in the club, I'm sipping. Backwood, roll like a finger. Bitch bad, like an R&B singer. European steering wheel is what I'm gripping. Rolls out the bottle in the club, I'm sipping. SL 500, Gucci duffel bag, all on baby rapper. Fire has a rapper, I'm a Mac, first and foremost. I knock bad bitches and get that dough. Few whips and a lot of ice. Mac, Kane, and D-Lo give a fuck about no hodo. Backwoods, I buy them shits daily. I buy them so much, them niggas should pay me. Lay me, that's what she's talking about. I put on my layout, now my dick in her mouth. Couple racks later down the highway. Like Usher Raymond, she likes it my way. I got what you need, baby, hit me up. He said it was his girl, but I give a fuck. I'm at the grill, gassing it out. I got that bitch, and she cashing me out. Backwood, roll like a finger. Bitch bad, like an R&B singer. European steering wheel is what I'm gripping. Rolls out the bottle in the club, I'm sipping. Backwood, roll like a finger. Bitch bad, like an R&B singer.